So, good day to everyone watching this video. I am Vince Roger Bahinting and I am going to simulate the KSIM Connect EWK 322 Uncontrolled Fires. So, together with my groupmates, namely Engine Cadet Arlan Hunya, Engine Cadet Dennis James Ruby, Engine Cadet Jasper James Arcipe, Engine Cadet Justin Bendo, and lastly, Engine Cadet Leonida Calos. So, a fire on board may happen in every vessel and has to be managed not only successfully but also quickly. So, in order to prevent larger damages or even loss of vessel and crew, which could happen if the fire spreads, fire on board is one of the most dangerous emergencies for a vessel. But what are the most usual causes and the preventive actions to be taken? So, in this video, I am going to show to you how to take action if there is an uncontrolled fire on board the ship through the simulation. So, first, let us press F1 and let us wait for instructions about the fire or the uncontrolled fires on board. So, let's just wait mga 20 seconds or more. So here's the message from instructor. Call ECR and verify status of fire pre-warning. So let us just silence the alarm and let us, from full navigation, let the vessel slow down first. So from full navigation, let us put it to dead slow and press 20. Then, so mauto i-silence all the alarms. Tapos, okay na sa siya. So let us go to MD104, which is the panel in the panel directory. So in main engine control. So from full navigation, let us put it to dead slow and press 20. Then acknowledge alarm, silence lang na siya. So every time mo kuan tingog ang alarm, i-silence lang nato na siya. And next, let us go to MD110. So sa panel directory gihapon ni siya main engine bridge control. So change ME status to ECR standby mode. Ani ECR standby mode. On na siya. Then let us go to MD104 na po. So auto main engine control. So from ECR mode, atong i-click ang ECR mode, dayon knowledge na sa dang alarm. I-silence na to siya. Anong alarm siya, makadagal na siya kay natural na siya ka panam na may uncontrolled fire on board. So natural ang alarms. So next, let us go to MD01. So process directory, then alita sa seawater system. So open seawater main fire general service pump 1 and 2. So kani siya. Then ang emergency pump. Dayon silence gyapon ng alarm. Let us go back to the panel directory and go to MD114. So now we are here in the fire protection panel, which is to detect siya sa mga fires. So click sound off kay para makuha ang alarm nga about sa fire. Then release the okay lang ni siya. Release water system / incinerator and select kani section 1, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So kana siya, nag-release na siya. Yeah, then open section, sound off na siya. Nagtingog siya, select section 2, section 3, section 4. Ipa-select na naman siya diya para ma-release niyang sa water system. Then sound off. So let's go back to the panel directory. Silence lang po na siyang panel directory. So let's go to MD116, which is the emergency operating panel. And shut off ventilation. So here's the ventilation. Just shut off the ventilation. Then let's go. Then silence the alarm. Let's go back to MD110. Bridge control. Then from dead slow, click stop. Pagikan sa dead slow, click stop. Dayon 0. Then next is MD104, which is same lang gihapon ang imong buhaton. Stop nimo ang main engine control, tapos click 0. Ganito na. Stop niya 0. And click the shutdown. Kani shutdown button. Na-click na nimo siya, kausa. Then let's go back to the process directory. Silence lang gihapon na siya, kaya ni-alarm man siya. Mao tay laing buhaton sa alarm, si silence lang. Then in the process directory, let's go to the feeders. MD72. Shut off the incineration plant. Shut off the incineration plant. So tara ang incineration plant, shut off na nimo siya. Tapos silence the alarm. Going back to the process directory, let's go to MD71, which is the starters. Switch off the start air compressor 1 and 2 and the service air compressor. So kani siyang tulo. Start air compressor 1, 2 and the service air compressor. Silence the alarm. Then going back to the MD73, so emergency switchboard, i-off lang yan mo siya ang bilge pumps, bilge water pumps and separator. Dayon process directory MD70, so check if disconnected na siya. So wala pa siya ma-disconnect, no? Ato tang MD114 service. So since there is no fire, reset na to ni siya, kani siya. Tapos wala naman tayo fire ganina niya. Tira na napoy balik fire na detect. So click all section from 1 to 8 kani siya section valves para ma-release yung water mist system. Yeah, let's silence the alarm. Yeah, balik ta sa MD115, which is CO2 release. So para dire ato ni siyang i-open door to release the carbon. Ngayon, release na to siya. And silence the alarm. Yeah, baliktad sa seawater system. Yeah, check if the emergency pump is open. So open siya, i-off na to ang duha ka yung singan ani duha ka pumps na to, 3 main pumps. Yan, alarm na po siya, silence na po. Natural lang gina siya nga na siya alarms. And going back to the panel directory, so open ta sa MD116. So now let us shut off the FO settling 1, FO settling 2, DO storage, DO service, and HFO service. So, acknowledge alarm, silence alarm. Then let's stop the DO, FO, LO pumps and the fuel valves. Then let's go to MD114. MD114 sa protection panel. So, since there's no fire, click reset. Reset na to ni siya. Then, let's go to MDO1. Check the pump. If the pump is shut down, then open the emergency pump. Then, let's go to MD114. The fire protection panel. Then, monitor the fire in this panel and acknowledge all alarms. Wait for the pre-warning, then click sound off on section 1 to 8. Let's just wait for any fire alarms. If not, if there's no fire alarm, then we are done here. But if there would be an alarm, let us let's put the fire. Let's control fire. So there's the pre-warnings, and let's just wait a little bit more. It is oil fire boiler, exhaust gas boiler, diesel generator, generator 2. Let's just section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, section 5, section 7, 8. So let us now go to the MD75. So here's a log of the indication of the functioning of the mist system. And so, then let's go back to MD114. Then reset the monitor. So as of now, wala na siya firing na nakikita. So let's just wait a little bit more if there are any alarms nga mo pakita, then let's silence the alarms first. So nagpakita ang compressor air / incinerator. So section 1 siya. So let's just wait a little bit more. No, so let's go to 03. Check if the seawater system pump emergency fire pump is functioning. So it's functioning well. Let's go back to panel directory and back to fire protection panel. So nagsiga pa man ni siya isang waton. Emergencies. So diesel generator 1. Diesel generator 2. Makita mo siya ang mist system. Higa na siya. Let's go to 114. So kani section ang nasa monitor is the compressor air / incinerator. So here is the section 1. So section 1 lang atong i-select. After mana ang atong simulation. So that would be all for the uncontrolled fire simulation for the EWK 322. So let us first click F3 to exit the simulation. And let us find the score of the gun. So EWK uncontrollable fire, it is 100%. So that would be all for our simulation, and thank you.